Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me. For today, let us explore Gros-Morne and its subsoil in the country of Ayiti. Gros-Morne is a commune of Ayiti which is located in the department of Artibonite and is the capital of the arrondissement of Gros-Morne. The commune has a population of 141,587 people according to a 2009 census. Its administration is made up of communal sections such as Boucan-Richard, Rivière-Marcel, Rivière-Blanche, Lacule, Grande Plaine, Ravine-Gaumont, Moulins, Pendu, et Savane-Carré. The local economy of Gros-Morne is based on the mango français, coffee, and cotton. Gros-Morne subsoil is mined and produces manganese, bauxite, and copper. Bauxite is a white, red, or gray sedimentary rock characterized by its high content of alumina and iron oxide. This rock is the main ore for the production of alumina and iron oxide. This ore is the main ore for the production of aluminium and gallium. Aluminium is a chemical element with atomic number 13. It belongs to the group 13 of the periodic table. Aluminium is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust and the third most abundant element after oxygen and silicon. Aluminium is an important material widely used in industry and craftsmanship, particularly in aeronautic, transport, and construction. Gallium is a chemical element with atomic number 31. It belongs to the group 13 of the periodic table and to the family of poor metals. Its traces are found in bauxite and zinc ores. Bauxite is formed by continental weathering in hot and humid climates. It contains alumina hydrates, kaolinite, silica, and iron oxide, which often give it a red coloration. Its specific minerals are alumina hydrates such as polymorph. This alterate is considered as aluminium ore only if silica content does not cross a threshold of 8%. France was the leading producer of bauxite until World War II, followed by the United States. By 1930, new countries were entering the territory in the Caribbean and Europe, such as Guyana, Suriname, Yugoslavia, and Hungary. They took an increasing weight in production until they represented two-thirds of the world production in 1939. The second half of the century, we see a resurgence of production from countries such as France and the United States, Latin America, such as Jamaica and Brazil. We also see the emergence of production from Australia as well as Guinea. The end of the 20th century saw the continuation of bauxite mining increase at a high rate, with the annual quantity doubling between 2000 and 2015. In 2019, more than 350 million tons of bauxite were mined. The increase in demand is driven by Australia, China, and Guinea. Aluminium requirements for the energy transition and the fight against global warming should continue to increase production in the coming years, according to a report. Aluminium main ore is bauxite. It is present there in the form of hydrated oxide from which the alumina is extracted. It can also be extracted from nepheline, leucite, silimanite, alucite, and muscovite. Aluminium is an important material widely used in industry and craftsmanship, particularly in aeronautic, transport, and construction. Its reactive nature also makes it a catalyst and additive in the chemical industry. Thus, it is used to increase the explosive power of ammonium nitrate. In 2010, million tons of bauxite were extracted in the world. In 2014, France was a net importer of bauxite. The average import price per ton was €35. By 2020, bauxite enters the list of critical raw materials for the European economy. Raw materials are necessary for a certain number of energy to transition in digital technologies. By the 20th century, we see an awareness of the finite and non renewable nature of certain resources such as minerals, metals, metalloids, radionuclide, as well as their strategic interest for the economy and societies, which has given rise to prospective methods of evaluation of the criticality of materials. Part of the list of raw materials for the European economy by 2020 are antimony, barite, bauxite, cobalt, coking coal, fluorite, gallium, lithium, magnesium, phosphate, phosphorus, titanium, and tantalum to name a few. On September 3rd, 2020, the European Commission presented a strategy to strengthen and better control its supply of some 30 materials, in particular rare earths, in order to lead a green and digital revolution. This list includes graphite, lithium, and cobalt used in the manufacture of electric batteries, silicon, an essential component of solar panels, rare earth used for magnets, semiconductors, and electronic components. This commission estimates that Euro will need 18 times more lithium and 5 times more cobalt by 2030 to meet its climate targets. Gros-Morne is one locality in Ayiti which contains bauxite, copper, and manganese. It should be carefully explored, mined, and extracted for environmental production as well as trade profit. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this information was very helpful to you. I will see you in the next.